So nice. Thank you, baby. Be careful.
That's it.
Oh, stop, excuse me. Abby,
You're scaring him. You don't do it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Abby, it's enough. You can do it. You can do it with Trey, but not him. That makes him nervous.
Baby Day, love you. Yay,